Hi there, students. To undercut. So the first meaning that comes to mind for me is to charge less than a competitor. So big supermarkets can undercut small family-owned businesses. They can just charge less because they got lower expenses. He managed to undercut his competitor by at least 5%. Or to charge less, ask for lower wages, to ask for less money, to undercut, to charge less so that you can you win the contract, to sell goods or provide a service at a lower price than someone else. So large businesses usually can undercut smaller businesses just to charge less. Notice as well, to undercut, to undermine, to damage something, or to make it fail. So he's always undercutting my authority. He's damaging it. He's weakening it. To undermine something so that you cause its failure. The parents' attitude was undercutting my efforts to edify, to teach the children. Okay, so to undermine, to destroy the value or effectiveness of something. So inflation undercuts the buying power of consumers. It it undermines it, it damages it, it diminishes the effectiveness of it. So yes, the United States and Europe should get on very well together, but this relationship is undercut because we have different economic interests. Okay, it's weakened, it's cut underneath, because we can also use the word undercut literally, meaning to cut the underside of something away. And that obviously will weaken it because there's less support. To cut material away from the underside of something, to leave a portion hanging over, and that's to literally to undercut. But we use this metaphorically, meaning to weaken or to make less strong. So his efforts to lead a healthy life were undercut by the fact that he couldn't give up smoking. And then to undercut, to charge less than for goods or services, to offer to sell at a lower price or to work at a lower price than a competitor, and that's to undercut. Okay, let's see. How formal is to undercut? I think I would probably give this a neutral formality. Maybe, I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. Use it anywhere. So, to charge less than. And it's an irregular verb. Undercut, undercut, undercut. So he undercut me last year. He has undercut my prices on several occasions before. And let's see, well, the origin, underneath, and cut. Cut itself comes from a Proto-Germanic word, kujana, to cut itself, so it goes back a long way. But to cut underneath, to weaken, or to sell at a reduced price. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Undercut.